Hi, I'm Kate from Acoustics. Today I'm going to be walking you through setting up your USB headset on your Mac. So grab your headset and grab your mouse and let's get going. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll want to click on the Apple icon and go to System Preferences. From here, go into the Sound Settings. In Sound Settings, you'll see three options at the top. Go ahead and click on Output. Right now you can see that it is set up to use the speakers on my Mac. At this point, let's go ahead and plug in the USB headset to your device. Alright, so once that populates, you're going to want to go ahead and click on the USB type output. Now I can hear any audio from the computer is going to be coming through my headset. You want to double check that if your headset has a volume option, that you turn the volume up, and then double check that you can hear the volume coming through. Once we have that set up, let's head on over to input. My input is currently set to the built-in microphone on the iMac, so go ahead and click over to that USB option. And now my voice is coming through my headset as it should be. You can see that the input level is changing here, indicating that my voice is coming through properly. If you're not seeing an input level change here, double check that if you have a mute function on your headset, either in an ear cup control or an inline, double check that that mute is not set. Once you can see that your input level is changing and that the computer is properly registering your voice through the headset, keep in mind there's one other thing you can change that's really helpful and easy, and that's the input volume. If you're in meetings and you feel like your voice is too loud, or you have customers or clients telling you that you need your volume to be decreased, you can come in here and alter it so that your voice will never get past a certain amount. You should be able to hear that now I have changed this input volume down to a low percentage. My voice is very quiet. And when we bump it back up, it's allowing more of the audio to come through. You can play with this setting to find what works well with your voice and your headset. And that is it. You have successfully set up your USB headset on your Mac. Thank you so much for following along. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you do end up having more questions or just want to reach out for any other reason, you can always head over to our website at www.cyberacoustics.com. You can also reach out to us through tech support by emailing techsupport@cyberacoustics.com. Our US-based team is always happy to help you with any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for choosing Cyber Acoustics.